Alright guys, welcome to another video. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe because we always upload every now and then. The goal of our channel is to simplify the web for everyone. Also like. If you're curious why I'm uploading React videos rather than uploading your favorite video, maybe HTML video or CSS video, you should consider commenting the video that you want and the reason why you want it, and I'll make sure I upload it so you can get the most out of the channel. So this video specifically is installing React on your system and getting started with React. So how can I get started with React? Very easy. I would recommend everyone always stick to your documentation. If I want to learn Node.js, I'm going to constantly open Node.js all the time. Even though I have a Udemy course or I have a YouTube tutorial that I'm following, I will make sure that I have Node.js open. Now, we're talking about React, how to get started with React. It's very easy. The first thing that we need is something called Node.js. Now, Node.js is an environment for building, a backend server. Now, we're not going to be building servers. We just need the tool installed in our system. So don't worry, don't be scared about me installing Node.js. It's just a requirement to use React.js. So the reason is React itself actually runs on a Node.js server. Okay, don't worry too much about that. You just need to install Node.js. So if you're using Windows, you click on the first link that you see. You can see that we have all these things. So if you're using Windows, I'll recommend you don't go to current, never go to current, always go to here. If you see yourself here, just switch back to LST. Download this MSI for quick installation. If you're using a 32-bit system, download this one. If you're using a 64, download this one. If you don't know which one you're using, I'll recommend you download 32-bit because this will work for either systems. That's how to download Node.js for Windows. Now, if you're using a Mac, you can click on this. Once you click on it, you can see that it's going to quickly download this thing for me. I can click on save, but I'm not going to download. I already have it downloaded. So once you have it, you quickly install it. I'm not going to show you how to install it, unfortunately. You can quickly search for how to install Node.js on YouTube. After we're done installing Node.js, the next thing to do is to quickly search for something called Create React App. So once we do this, we can quickly go to the first website we see. This is it. So I can click to take you to the React official website, and you can just scroll down just a little bit. This is the command we are looking for. So the first command is called npm create react app my app. What's the meaning of this? We're telling Node.js to help us create a React app from online. That means you need to be online to run this command. I get a lot of people telling me, hey, my command is not working, but I have Node.js installed. Your command will work if you have Node.js installed, at least if you have this version installed. So I believe your command should work, okay? This command will work if you're online, if you have a good internet connection. This is saying Node.js help me create a React app called my app. In fact, rename this to anything you like. For example, you can rename this here to first app. You're saying Node.js help me create a new React app called first app. That's the reason why you need Node.js in the first place, because without Node.js you'll not be able to run this command. So once I copy this command, I can now go to my terminal. Now, how can you look for your terminal? If you're on Mac, you can go to your applications and search for terminal. If you're on Windows, you can click on the start menu and search for CMD like this. CMD. Yes, I think so. So once you search for it, it's going to show you an application. You can open it up. We need to take consideration of the location that we are in. So for example, right now, I am not in a good location to paste my command. I'm not in a good location. So I have to come to a location that I like. For example, I can come to desktop. I can come to document. So let's say I want to create this project on my desktop. So I have to use something called CD. CD means change directory. I'm changing my directory from here to somewhere else. Now let's say I want to change my directory from here to desktop. I'm going to use something called cd/desktop. Okay, I can hit enter. Now my Mac OS is asking me for permission. I'm going to say okay. Now you can see that we're in desktop. You can see it. Okay, so if I paste my command here, so if I copy this command, I come back and I paste. So I'll be creating this React app here on my desktop. So I'm going to, once I paste, I'm going to hit enter. You quickly see that there's a folder. Node.js will go online and create a new React app called my app, because obviously this is my app, as you can see. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm going to pause the video. So as you can see, it took a while to run, but it's successful. If you don't see this successful message, maybe you don't have Node.js installed on your system, so it won't work. If you follow me, you have this success message. So once we're done, we'd like to run this React app. There are several ways of doing this. We can use the terminal to do it, or we can use VS Code. Now, I can just easily drag and drop on my Windows, on my VS Code rather. You can also do that with Windows. Just drag and drop to your VS Code or right click to open with VS Code. Once you're there, you can select OK for all the permissions. So say, okay, yes, I trust. And this is our project, guys. This is the React project. Now, how can we run this code? Go for terminal, new terminal. It will open up this terminal and you can hit npm start. Once I hit enter, you will quickly see it's going to run a script. Now, after that, it's going to open this in the browser. You don't have to open it by yourself. It will open it automatically. Now we have the React app up and running. Congratulations. That is how to install a React application on your machine. Now, before we end this video, I'm going to explain just a little bit further based on experience and questions that I get from people. So this React app that I created is for a project. If I want to create another project, I will do the same steps. I will come to React, copy this thing again, but this time I can change the name. So as you can see, the name is called my app. So for example, if I want to create a e-commerce website, I will come here, copy the command, make sure I first of all navigate to my desktop. Once I do that, now you can see that I'm in my desktop. I can paste my command, but this time I'll make sure that I change it to maybe a to-do. So let's say I want to build a to-do app using React. So make sure to do this, and once you hit, it's going to create a new project. Now that is very crucial. Don't think that this app is for all your React app in the world. No, this is just one React application. Okay, that will do it, guys. Peace.